DKV Health Insurance Germany app. The pros, the cons. The DKV Health Insurance Germany app is designed to put your health coverage directly in your pocket. Most people assume it's only for viewing policy documents, but the app goes much further, letting you submit claims, track reimbursements, manage premiums and access health resources quickly from your smartphone. On the pros side, the app provides instant access to all key policy information, including coverage limits, plan details, and beneficiary data. Claims submission is simple, with step-by-step instructions, and you can upload receipts or supporting documents directly from your phone. Premium payments can be handled easily, either as a one-time payment or through recurring options. Push notifications keep you updated about claim progress, upcoming payments, and any policy changes. Users also appreciate the wellness features, which include tips and health programs designed to help you stay proactive with your health. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate even for users who aren't particularly tech-savvy. On the con side, some users report slow performance when accessing detailed claim histories. Offline functionality is limited, so you need an internet connection to use most features. The app also lacks advanced tools like cost estimators, coverage comparisons, or integrated health planning features, which can make long-term planning a bit harder. In conclusion, the DKV Health Insurance Germany app is a reliable, user-friendly tool for managing your health coverage. While it doesn't offer advanced financial planning features, it handles claims, payments, and policy tracking efficiently, keeping users informed and in control. For anyone looking for convenience and simplicity in managing health insurance, this app delivers solid value.